channel! Sorry, ngayon lang tayo nakakapag-review. But I promise to be back. Hopefully, medyo maluwag na ang schedule natin ngayon. So, today, I will review the Vice Cosmetic GANDOLL Eyebrow Kit. So, if you want to know my thoughts about it, just keep on watching. Hi guys! So we're back. We're going to do a review on the soft brown GANDOLL brow kit. So, I got the shade soft brown kasi medyo reddish yung hair natin, no? Drastic yung change lately. So, I got this for, yung kit is $375. And then, this one, pag individual, it's $195 each, I guess. Yeah, $195 each. This is reminiscent ng Sunny's Face Life Brow. See, ito yung comparison nila. Don't be fooled na konti lang talaga ng laman ni Sunny's Face. And much cheaper naman tong si Vice Cosmetics. Wait lang. So, this one is only $195. Ito parang 200 something to eh. Para maging 300 na to. So, I really like using this dito sa inner part ng brow ko. Kasi dito, medyo kalbo siya, di ba? So, pag ito yung gamit ko, hindi halata. Tapos, mas precise yung pagkakagawa ng brows ko. And, yun. Try natin to kung ganun yung nangyari. And I need a shade which is like reddish brown dahil sa hair ko. Si Sunny's Face kasi, although ash yung color niya, it does not really change the color of my brows. Wait lang. Hindi ko siya ma-open. Ito yung shade na soft brown. Marami ba itong laman? Ano maibalik ko ba? Oh my God. Oh, in fairness! Wala siya laman! Yan na yata. Wala siya laman. Ayan na yung sagad niya. In fairness, marami siyang laman. Para sa akin, sulit na yung $195 dyan. Mas manipis lang si Sunny's, I guess. Sorry, ubos na yung Sunny's ko. Ayan. Lapit pa natin. Can you see, guys? Almost the same. Let's swatch. So, this one is, ang ganda ko mag-swatch. Hindi kita. This one is the GANDOLL. This brown one. This is Sunny's Face. So, kung titingnan nyo yung kaya niyang gawing line, it's the same. Practically the same. But this one is cheaper, which I love and I appreciate about Vice Cosmetics. So, tingnan naman natin. Yes. Tingnan naman natin yung brow gel. I haven't watched any reviews about this one pa. Kasi ayokong mag-cloud yung judgment ko sa reviews ng iba. Ganun ako pag nagre-review. Ito, medyo mataba yung kanyang one. Tapos parang may fiber siya. In fairness, may pa-fibers. Yan. Sige, swatch natin. Yep. Oh my God. Ang dami kong na-swatch. Tapos, balik lang natin yung itsura ni Sunny's. Yan. Sobrang nipis nga. Compare mo sa Vice Cosmetics. So, yan. Side by side with Sunny's. Si Sunny's, walang fibers. Although, I like that it keeps my hair in place without making it super super tigas. So, gagawin na natin yung kilay ko gamit yung Vice Cosmetics. Ay, hindi ko na gagamit yung Sunny's kasi nagawa ko na yun before eh. May review ako dyan, link ko na lang down below. So, I usually brush my hair up. My hair talaga, may kilay. Pataas. Dalawang ring line ko. Sorry. Okay. Kasi para makita ko lang kung saan yung dapat may hair or something. Kasi itataas ko din yun. Kasi, ano ba, I like skinny brow pencil sa kilay ko kasi medyo okay naman na yung kilay ko. Needs lang a little filling. Kaya nga natin mimic ng soft hair strokes. It looks crazy kasi brownish yung kinuha ko dahil tas black naman yung hair ng eyebrows ko. But my purpose is to change it up. So, papalitan natin yan ng color gamit ang brow gel nila na may fibers. Yes. So, ganyan kamesi ako mag-eyebrows. Usually, I just clean it up with a concealer. Wait, I'll just get a concealer brush. So, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Thank you, No, for recommending this one. Kala mo naman, may napanood ako ni No. Ng color is my weapon. But, yeah, she recommended this nung I asked what concealer she's wearing. So, we're gonna clean the brows. Kasi, hindi niya na kailangan malaman to. O, diba? Snatch the house. Okay, so, that's our brows, guys. So, I'll use the Vice Cosmetics Soft Brow Gel. How is it? Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya sa camera, guys. But I feel like it's super dark on me. I should have bought the yellow one. Ang dark ng kilay mo, girl. Okay, okay na sa swatch. Just do my makeup and I'll get back to you in a second. So, we're back. I'm done with my makeup. Medyo subtle lang. So, my thoughts on the Vice Cosmetics GANDOLL. How do you pronounce it? GANDOLL. GANDOLL Micro Brow and GANDOLL Volumizing Brow Gel. So, yung volumizing effect ng brow gel, I did not see it. Maybe because my brows are already volumized. Sorry, nag-give lighting, nahulog kasi nung pusa ko yung ano. Isa pang, basta yung setup. So, for the GANDOLL Brow, Micro Brow, ayun pala, balik tayo. Dun sa GANDOLL Volumizing Brow Gel in Soft Brown. Medyo na-disappoint ako kasi hindi ganun ka-soft brown yung color niya on me. Siya, for me. So, mali yung nakuha kong shade. Siguro dapat nag-blonde ako para medyo na-lift yung kulay ng eyebrows ko. At medyo hindi pa rin siya bagay sa hair ko. But okay lang. I mean, hindi siya matigas. May mga brow gel na sobrang tigas. Like yung sa Daiso, sobrang tigas nung sa kilay. Kaya medyo hindi ko siya bet. Kasi gusto ko yung parang kilay pa rin siya. So, ito. Okay naman siya. I mean, volumizing, I don't know. Because it's already volumized. For longevity-wise, I haven't tested it ganun katagal. Pero kasi nung I tried to blend it, yan, I'm blending it. Madali siyang ma-blend, pero pag nag-set na siya, hindi mo na siya magagalaw. And I feel like, kasi napawisan na ako actually, hindi to fresh from makeup na ginawa ko, parang kumain pa ako. Nag-text pa ako or something. So, yun. So, medyo pawis-pawisan na yung lola niya, no? Nawala ng ilaw natin sa glit kasi nalobat na. Gusto ko dun sa kit ng Vice Cosmetics na brow kit is, ang ganda niya sa kilay. Para siyang, parang soft yung dating niya. Hindi siya super harsh. Madali siyang i-blend. Tapos, yun. Pero yung mimicking soft hair stroke, parang hindi ko pa siya magawa. Kasi ang tagal ko rin siya nagawa sa Sunnies. So, baka super light lang dapat. Kaso, hindi ako light mag-kilay. Kaya nga, I really like brow pencils na ganito kanipis. Kasi for my bushy brows. Yes, bushy brows. Kahit ang kapalan lang nilalagay ko, hindi siya magmumukhang Betty La Fea. Kasi, sobrang nipis niya. So, would I recommend this one? I would recommend this one. Definitely a dupe for Sunny's Life Brow Pencil. Kasi, magkasing laki sila. I mean, the tip is kasing laki. Mas payat lang yung body nito. And this one is much cheaper, guys. Much longer. And kung nagustuhan nyo yung Sunny's face and if you want a dupe for it, you get this one. This GANDOLL Micro Brow. GANDOLL ng Vice Cosmetics. And kudos for Vice Cosmetics for always consistently providing affordable products for your girls, no? Anyways, and for the shade range, lagay ko yung shade range here. Sobrang ang ganda ng shade range. Naisip nila na may mga Pilipina na nagba-blonde hair. Blonde hair ako dati. Meron ding mga auburn hairs and all that. They all thought of like the 4 universal shades for Filipinas. So, I really commend Vice Cosmetics for that. For the volumizing brow gel, I'm not really... Parang, di naman ako napawaw. Although, magandang idea na meron siyang microfibers. Siguro, for someone who doesn't have a lot of brows, this is really good. But for me na meron na ako, okay lang, nice to have, ganon. Anyways, I will give this 4 out of 5. Kasi, yun, I will definitely get another one, which is the blonde color. I'll definitely get that. But, I'll use, I mean, I like the shade nito. Tapos, ito, kunin ko yung blonde version nito. Sana lang you can choose, no, yung, kasi dun sa Lazada, makuha mo lang yung parang discounted pag same shade sila na binili mo. Sana you can choose naman if you have a bundle. If you're going to get a bundle of this, kasi wala lang. I want lifted brows. So, gusto ko yung mga mas lighter pa dito. Hindi ko naman magamit yung brow pencil nun. Kasi ganon. So, yun. I will definitely get another one. I will get the blonde one. So, yun. Natutunan ba sa review ko? Ewan ko. But I'm just happy to be back. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!